Hello, welcome to Amarnath Shiva Motivational Guide YouTube channel. Classroom management and control is the topic today will be explained in this video. Everyone who wants to come to teaching profession should know the following elements to teach effectively, to progress in his teaching profession. Because as per my own experience, I can say lecturing is easy. Lecturing is easy, but teaching is very difficult. First of all, let us know the difference between the management and control. Management has wider scope, whereas control has narrow scope. And control is the part of management. The elements are divided here under two categories mainly. The first one is primary element and second one is secondary element. The primary elements are concerned about the management of the classroom. The primary elements are the basic and fundamental elements to be followed or to be known by the teacher. First primary element is have command over the subject. For example, I am an economics lecturer for PUC. I should know thorough knowledge about the PUC syllabus. Then only I can teach effectively. Second element of primary element is have command over the language. In the same example, I am an economics lecturer for PUC class only, but for the Kannada medium college. In these situations, in spite of knowing the thorough knowledge about the economic subjects, I should know the Kannada language also to teach effectively to the students. Because the communication is the process of passing the information from one person to another person. So we have to communicate properly in the proper way, proper language, in a systematic manner. Then only our teaching will be effective. Third primary element is follow professional approach or appearance. What is profession? Profession means having specialized skill and knowledge and to render the service. Example, doctors, lawyers, teachers, engineers, like that. Sometimes whenever we travel in the bus, we come to know who is conductor only by seeing his uniform only. It shows that professionalism. Another example, say one day while I was working in a private company, one of my friends came to office in an unsystematic way, in any tension or unsystematic way. On that day, our senior manager told my friend, "You are an employee of such and such reputed company. You should be in a systematic way, and whatever your problem, family problem or economic problem may be there, you should purchase some clothes and some things from the salary which are required to this profession, because the salary is the main source to your family. Then only you can progress in your profession." On that only I remember his words till now. It shows that professionalism. Another example, one day I asked one of my police friend, I never saw a police having beard on his cheeks. And is there any rule regarding having a regular shave daily like this? That my friend told, yes, there is a rule is there, and we have to shave regularly, and we have to attend the duty with systematic way. Otherwise, our superior officer will ask us. It is known as professionalism etiquettes. So, in our teaching profession also, we should be in a systematic way. How much it is possible to us, to the extent we can reach. There is no need to compare with others, or there is no need to feel inferior or superior. We should be in a systematic manner. We should have systematic etiquettes to the extent to which we can reach. This improves our personality, and it improves our that professionalism towards the students. The student feel that the teacher is respectful, and we have to respect the teachers like that. The fourth element is know your students. Know your students means the teacher should know to whom he is going to teach. The student learning capacity, the student's mental capacity, the student's classroom behavior, and everything, and how much he is learned about this topic, and what is the whether the student is now understand the basic or not. This type of questions to be known by the teacher, then only the teaching will be effective to the students. Without knowing the students, any teacher cannot deliver his class or lecture, because whenever we any person goes to a doctor, the doctor cannot prescribe anything without knowing the patient. First of all, he asks about the patients, and afterwards he prescribes what is needed there. Like that, in our teaching profession also, first of all we have to understand the students. Then only we can teach what is to be taught to the students. Secondary, and then the secondary elements are to control the classroom. First one, second element is motivate the students to learn. How to motivate the students? We have to tell the students, you are here to learn the class. I am here to teach you. You are here to learn. So you should concentrate on learning. This topic is important. On this topic, for such marks questions will be asked in the examination, and this topic will be helpful to learn the next topic, and this topic will be helpful for your career in your future. Like this, we have to tell the importance of the subject to the students, and students will get attentive towards the class and try to learn. Secondary element is have empathy about the students. What is empathy? Empathy means stepping into another's shoe and understanding their behavior or attitude. Here, the students should know should have empathy about the students, because sometimes whatever we may teach, the students will not be in a position to understand. In this situation, we should ask them what was the problem, why are not you understanding, and why the student is indifferent towards this subject or towards my class, and why he is irregular, and what he wants to do, what he wants to learn, what is his problem. Like this, with this type of answers can be known by the teacher when he knows empathy. Third secondary element is maintain discipline in the classroom. Discipline is important for in all aspects and with everyone. Without discipline, neither the teacher nor the students can improve. Discipline is everywhere. The students should follow discipline in the classroom in a systematic way, by sitting, by writing, by speaking, by behaving with other students and classmates, and with the teachers. Like that, teachers also should be in a systematic way in the class while communicating with the students and behaving with the students. Fourth second element is have eye span over the classroom. Generally, lecturers or teachers concentrate on front rows only or intelligent students only. It should not happen. We should concentrate on the whole class as a single unit only, like thinking single unit only. So sometimes what happens, the last bench students will not get attention towards the class. So whenever we see them, or we see them at the last, they feel the teacher is looking at us. He may ask the question, I should listen carefully. Like that, they feel and they get attention towards the class. Otherwise, they do something writing or seeing there and he there, and seeing in the window, like this. Fifth secondary element is provide activity to students. It means the learning can be effective through activity also. Means the teacher can say, I will write on the board, you write in your notebook. I say, you note down. Whatever I say, you write down. Or you solve the particular this type of problem. Or you write the questions for this. You write the answers for these questions. Or you write the this page. Like this activity should be conducted in the class to motivate the students, to involve the students in the class. The last element is neglect the unimportant things. Sometimes in the class, some students may move from one place to another or may speak slowly with another neighbors. Like this, or may go out or may come inside. Like this, some simple mistakes will may happen and situation occurs like that. But the intention of the students will not be to disturb the class. In this situation, the teacher should not agree on such students, and he should concentrate on who is teaching only, and he should not distract the class attention towards that situation, and he should not distract his teaching. And also this will be helpful for the teacher to improve himself, because whatever will be the minor mistakes in his teaching, he should feel, I should improve tomorrow, I should teach more effectively than today, tomorrow in the next class. He should feel it positively, and also he should in the positive way he should enter the class and exit the class. Okay, if you like the video, like it, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.